A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Kilmar Abrego Garcia walked out of an Immigration and Customs Enforcement field office on Friday to the cheers of a crowd chanting, "We are all Kilmar." This came after a federal judge intervened to prevent immigration officials from redetaining him. Abrego Garcia's case has garnered significant attention, especially as it highlights the complexities of immigration law and the contentious policies of the previous administration. The U.S. District Judge Paula Zinis in Maryland ruled that immigration authorities could not detain Abrego Garcia again until a hearing on a motion for a temporary restraining order was conducted. This decision was made following a tumultuous sequence of events that saw Abrego Garcia wrongfully deported to El Salvador earlier this year. His attorneys had filed an urgent application for a restraining order just hours before his scheduled appointment with ICE, citing fears that he would be taken into custody again. The judge's ruling was swift, granting the order early in the morning and allowing Abrego Garcia to leave the building free of detention. For the public to have any faith in the orderly administration of justice, the court's narrowly crafted remedy cannot be so quickly and easily upended without further briefing and consideration, wrote Judge Zinis in her decision. Abrego Garcia's legal troubles began when he was deported to a notorious prison in El Salvador, despite a court order from 2019 that barred his deportation due to fears of persecution. He was accused by the Trump administration of being affiliated with the criminal gang MS-13, a claim he vehemently denies. After being brought back to the U.S. to face human smuggling charges, he was released into the custody of his brother in Maryland, only to be detained again by immigration authorities. Judge Zinis' ruling on Thursday emphasized that Abrego Garcia's wrongful detention in El Salvador and the subsequent redetention in the U.S. were without lawful authority. She pointed out that the government had the option to remove him to Costa Rica, his preferred country of removal, but chose not to. Respondents' calculated effort to take Costa Rica off the table backfired, Zinis noted, referring to the country's offer to grant Abrego Garcia residence and refugee status. The judge had previously blocked the government from removing him until a habeas corpus case challenging his removal was resolved in court. The history of Abrego Garcia's case is indeed extraordinary, reflecting the ongoing struggles many face within the U.S. immigration system. As he left the ICE office, surrounded by supporters, the cheers echoed a sentiment of relief and solidarity. While the legal battle continues, the community's support for Abrego Garcia remains unwavering, as they advocate for his rights and the rights of others in similar situations. The complexities of immigration law and the implications of government actions continue to spark debates, highlighting the need for reform and the protection of vulnerable individuals. The case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia serves as a poignant reminder of the human stories behind immigration policies and the ongoing fight for justice in the face of adversity. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.